Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanya and I am 14 years old. This is my first YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to share this super simple recipe of chocolate lava cake. This recipe only consists of 3 ingredients, which is milk, chocolate and Oreos. You can even replace the Oreos with any other biscuit of your choice. I hope you like this recipe. So I'm going to start by melting the chocolate using the double boiler method. So for this, I'm going to take a saucepan with some boiled water and place a heat-proof or steel bowl on top of it and melt the chocolate. Make sure that the water isn't touching the bowl, otherwise the chocolate can burn. This is now ready, keep it aside. Now I'm going to separate the cream from the Oreos. After separating these, add the Oreos in a blender and blend until this is a fine powder. Now add this into the chocolate and mix. I have listed all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box down below. Now add around half cup of milk into this and mix well. This is now ready. Now I'm going to melt the Oreo cream in the microwave for around 20 seconds. To this, I'm going to add some chopped dark chocolate. This is going to be the filling. Now I'm going to prepare a mold for this since I do not have a ramekin. For this you need any glass with a broad end and an aluminium foil. You will need around 3 molds for this recipe. I'm going to fold the aluminium foil like this. And then I'm going to simply place this on top of the glass and press it down. Now fold the edges and create a bowl-like shape. If you have a large silicone cupcake mold or a large muffin tin, you can use that as well. Now I'm going to add a drop of oil and grease this mold. Now I'm going to add 2 scoops of the batter into these molds. And a dollop of the cream and chocolate mix. And then cover this with more batter. If you're using biscuit without cream, you can simply add in only chocolate as the filling. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. If you like this recipe, please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.